April 2018 time. Today's video, I caught 2 alerts for North Carolina, a tornado warning and a special weather statement. Let's read this. The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 12:12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Chudbourne, or 8 miles west of Whiteville, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: expect damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This dangerous storm will be near Blenheim, Pittsburgh, and Butters around 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Elizabethtown and Bladen Community College around 12:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other location impacts by this tornado thunderstorm include Dublin, Clarkson, and Bladen County Hospital. This includes U.S. Route 74 between mile markers 380 and 391. Take cover now. Move to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to your closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado. Radar indicated. Hail 0.00 inches. Now let's read a special weather statement. Special weather statement. 40 miles per hour. Let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave comments down below, and press that notification bell so that you don't feel. See here, let me show you for tornado on weather.gov. See? Tornado warning.